Hi, I'm Kathy.
Hi, I'm Lynn, and welcome to Kathy Quilts. It's so awesome working with Kathy. It's made this business a lot of fun. We have Kathy Quilts University to help train people, and so we would like to see people be able to take their quilting and elevate it to a new level. Also, for people that are looking for a new machine or want to upgrade what they already have or just add accessories, we sell the products from the Grace Company. So we sell Qunique and their other accessories. So please let us know if you have any questions. Give us a call, 888-826-0222, or email us, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks.